big contention, and that's wrong in my view. Everything I know indicates that that's wrong, but they won't talk about it. The idea here, the model is there, take the model, either accept it or reject it, but the modelers are just wrong, and it's the corruption of money, I feel, that has gotten into this thing. And we're being, and the media has dropped the ball. I've told many media people there's a lot of Pulitzer Prizes around here if you really get in and work a year or two and get to the bottom of this. Well, it's beginning some now. It's beginning. Yeah, a question back here.
You're talking about natural climate change. What's the feedback? What feeds the natural cycles?
Oh, I think it's salt variation.
Well, what feeds the salt variation?
Evaporation differences. And it's, yeah, well that, I need another hour to show you how this works. But generally, in the Atlantic, if this circulation's slow, the salt builds up. You reach a point where the salt gets so high that then turbulence and things start the thing going faster. As it goes faster, you're taking more salt out of the ocean than you're building it up, and the salt goes down. And then the whole thing after 20, 30, 40 years slows up. There's a natural cycle here that goes on a multi-decadal scale that has nothing to do with CO2 changes. Yeah, behind you.
How would you answer people who say that there's a lot of empirical corroboration for these some of these models?
Wait a minute, can you speak louder, please?
A lot of empirical corroboration for some of these models, for instance, the melting of the ice caps, the increase of global temperature, et cetera, et cetera. How would you argue that? Would you say that these are just local effects or these are just transitory? How would you argue